Now, 2 days ago, I did a video giving you the 6 guidelines to starting your investing journey in the stock market. I did explain what the stock market is, and out of those 6 guidelines, one of the things that I highlighted was you choosing a broker. Now, choosing a broker can be quite tricky to some of the investors because some of the brokers are quite expensive, or some of the brokerage accounts are quite expensive to run, and therefore it is very important that you find a broker that you can afford in terms of running that brokerage account, in terms of the commissions that they charge when you buy, when you sell your equities and all that. Now, the reason why I'm reminding you about this is that I received quite a number of questions from some of the investors asking which brokerage account to open, what broker do I use when I invest in the stock market, which some of you that have been here for quite some time, you will know that I use a broker by the name of EasyEquities. EasyEquities is one of the local South African brokers that makes it easy for investors to go in the market, buy their shares or invest in the stock market, because not only do they give you an opportunity to buy local shares, local stocks, but they also give you opportunities to buy or to participate into buying stocks internationally in the US, Australia, Europe. It gives you a wide range of options to choose as to which stocks do you want to buy. But me personally, my portfolio, it's only local South African stocks and international US stocks or New York Stock Exchange listed stocks, which that is what I prefer for now, or that is what I think it's easier for me. You can go for the Australian stock exchange, you can go for the other stock exchanges that are available on the EasyEquities platform. But the reason why I like this platform is that it gives you varieties of asset classes you can invest. It gives you number of stocks or quite number of companies, economies all over the world that you can choose to invest in, which is something that is just so great, and it makes it so special, and that is why I love them. Now, on this video, I want to take you through the steps, or some of the steps, as to how do you go about starting investing on the EasyEquities app or platform, right? Which, like I said, the reason I'm doing this, I want to show you guys on how easy it is to open this account and start your investing journey. I mean, the primary reason we're investing, we all want to be rich, we all want to make money, and I've been making money from this platform, from this app, ever since I started or commenced with my investing journey. I think it was back in 2019. So step number 1, obviously, what you need to do as someone who's starting, who does not have even the app, is to go to iStore or Play Store and go search for the app EasyEquities. You'll notice that as seen on the screen, because I already have this app, it's already installed, it will show me that I just need to open it, or right now I just need to open it because I've already installed the app. But to you, some of you guys that might still not have this app, you can go and search EasyEquities and you download that app. That is the first step that you need to do. Now, step number 2, immediately when you download, or after downloading that app, you complete your profile, you create your profile, and obviously you must have your ID, you must have proof of address, you must have your banking details, and you must know your tax number. These are some of the key things that you will need to populate, obviously, when you are opening an EasyEquities account, which is something that, like I said, you need to have this document so that it gets easier and quicker for you to register your profile onto the EasyEquities platform. And once you do that, EasyEquities does the process of verifying all this information, your tax number, banking details and all that. And with banking details, you'll notice that after you have put in, maybe in a space of 24 or within 24 hours, it will indicate if your banking details are verified or not, which obviously that is important, because when you withdraw your money, they want to make sure that they are putting that money on the verified bank account. Right now, step number 3, the third step that you want to do, of course, is to deposit money so that you can start buying shares, buying ETFs and all these other asset classes, right? So it's easier that you deposit your money on the ZAR account. I think that is the easiest way that will make your money to reflect quicker onto the app, which once you click that deposit and you choose your EasyEquities ZAR. So there will be a drawdown that indicates that select one of your bank accounts, which depending on the type of bank you use locally in SA, it can be First National Bank, ABSA, Standard Bank, Investec, Capitec, Bitvest. You choose the banking details of the obviously bank that you are using, so that you can then copy everything, add of course First World Trader as your beneficiary, so that it makes it easier for you when you deposit in the future. So once you do this, then you will notice that your funds, couple of minutes, it depends on the bank that you are using, they reflect. I use when I deposit, I think I'm using FNB, I'm using ABSA. So ABSA, I realized that it's quicker, the money reflects very quick. I think in a space of 5 to 10 minutes the money is already in the app, right? For FNB, I think it can even take 30 minutes. I'm not sure, because I don't check those things that much anymore. But once you deposit, then your money will get to the account. Now, step number 4, once your money has been deposited to your account, you go out. Now you'll realize that that money will be there reflecting under funds to invest. Whatever you deposit, it will be available. And guys, you can deposit as little as 10 rands, 100 bucks, and whatever amount you are comfortable with, which is why this platform is I think it's very convenient. Now the next step will be for you to activate accounts, various accounts which you would want to participate or buy shares from. Now what you do is you click those 3 lines at the top right hand side, and then you go to add and manage accounts. Then under add and manage accounts, they will be activate new accounts. Then that is where you activate all these other accounts that I was telling you about. The US account, the RA account, the Provident Fund account, Pension Fund account, EasyEquities GBP, EasyEquities Euro, Easy Crypto, Easy Properties. You can activate the ones that you prefer. Then you start buying the asset classes, or you start buying the equities of the of course those accounts that you just activated. Once you activate, you'll notice that when you go back to your portfolio, those accounts that you activated will be reflecting. That was step number 4. Now step number 5, you need to decide what to buy. I have done a video of how to pick a stock. I think I did that video yesterday, showing you how you can pick a stock by analyzing their company's financial competitive advantage, growing industry, evaluation, technical analysis, market condition, and of course, if you are a technical person, you look for this obviously technical analysis where you are checking the trend and all that. And I did say that personally I invest into stocks based on the fundamentals, based off what the company, how the company is performing financially, and the market condition, meaning that how is the GDP of that country doing, how is inflation, where is inflation sitting at, where are the current interest rates, because those things, though they are not reported under the companies that we invest, but they play a huge role. Because I mean, on an environment whereby inflation is too high and interest rates are aggressively growing, investors don't like that condition, because they know that chances are very high that the companies are going to struggle to make money, because quite a number of people won't be able to afford certain services that this company offer, or certain products that this company offer, and therefore because of that they don't generate the kind of revenues that they would usually generate, which is something that you need to have at the back of your mind. So I did that video yesterday, and I will put it at the end of this video for you to check on how you can choose stocks, how you can select stocks. But as a beginner, like what I said on the video I did 2 days ago, where again there I was giving you guidelines that you can use in 2025 to get rich in the stock market, you obviously need to start with ETFs. ETFs are the easiest way to diversify your portfolio, because as you are investing into the stock market, you don't want to throw your eggs onto one basket, but you want to make sure that your portfolio is well diversified in a way that should one thing happen, maybe in the US market, you know, you've still got your ZAR stocks still doing well. But of course, if something is to go wrong with the US, of course, it is that kind of economy where if there are serious issues, when they cough, everyone catches the flu, right? Because they are the strongest economy as it stands globally. So I just thought I'd give you this quick steps on how you can go about opening an EasyEquities account. And oh, before I forget, you know that once your money is in your ZAR account, what you do is that to transfer, when you go to my funds and you go under the tab that says transfer, that is the easiest way to transfer your money from the ZAR account to the USD, EasyEquities USD, or EasyEquities GBP, or EasyEquities Europe. That's the quickest way to transfer your monies from account to account. Even when you want to bring back your money into the ZAR account, you would go to the USD from maybe the EasyEquities USD. You just go under the transfer. You transfer from USD to ZAR, and then the money will come back to your ZAR account. And also, just a tip, don't try to withdraw money from your USD account. Or what you need to do, if maybe you want money from a USD account, the quickest and easiest way for you to get your money fast, it's transferring your money always back to ZAR. So if you are investing into EasyEquities GBP, EasyEquities USD, you need to make sure that once you are withdrawing, don't withdraw direct from those accounts, because it will take you quite a number of days for you to get your money. I've seen people complaining about that. I've seen people stressing about the fact that they can't get their money as soon as possible. So transferring your money back to the EasyEquities ZAR is the quickest way to withdraw your money onto the platform. So like I said, I thought I'd give you this so that you know how easy it is to open an EasyEquities platform and how to go about it, starting to invest in the stock market. And you'll know that on this channel I don't share professional financial advice. If you seek professional financial advice, you know what to do. You need to go and consult the professionals, because on this channel all I do is just to give you my opinions on certain companies, give you my opinions on how I go about investing into the stock market. The rest, if you want professional financial advice, you need to make sure that you do it the right way, and that is you go and consult the professionals. I am happy that at least finally I was able to do this video, which quite a number of people were asking me to do. I hope it was clear. I hope you guys understand the process that you need to go through to open an EasyEquities account, which I also use. I can say right now that there are also other options. There are also other brokers that you can open out there. It's just that I use, or majority of my funds to invest in the stock market are in the EasyEquities app. And I know there are brokers like eToro, that's an international broker. There are brokers like Brockstock and all that. But mostly I'm using EasyEquities because it's a simple broker to use, right? Though you pay their monthly fees of 25 rands, that's if you don't thrive. I'm fine with that, because I still think that is the most cheapest broker that you can use locally, because the fees, the commissions are still very low, which is what I said it is important as you are choosing the broker to check if whether you can afford to pay the fees which they charge you to run that account. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that at least you don't miss the latest content, or the content that I drop almost on a day-to-day on this channel about the stocks, about investing in the stock market, because we all want to be rich. We all want to print money in the stock market, and stock market has got a proven track record of generating wealth for people, which is pretty good, which is always fascinating and encouraging when you see other people making money, when you start seeing yourself making money from the stocks that you bought, from the ETFs that you bought. So I'll see you on my next video, man, and God bless you all.